Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Range Rover Sport P550e Autobiography. With an eye-catching Santorini Black Exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with digital LED headlights as well as 23-inch gloss black alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Sport also benefits from a full service history as well as coming with an electric range of up to 74 miles. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function as well as the electric window controls, Meridian surround sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with 22-way heated and cooled front massage seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display, as well as the head-up driver's display and the clear sight interior rear view mirror. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 13.1-inch PV Pro infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, coming with ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also come in with rear climate control as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.